everyone, my name is Andy Q. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making jackfruit seed punch. Yes, you heard right, jackfruit seed. Yeah. My ingredients: condensed milk, vanilla, almond essence, nutmeg, cinnamon, sobergen, and some dragon stout. First, I'm gonna toast, or where we Jamaican call it, parch the jackfruit seed. So I had a saucepan on the fire and leave it there to hot. Wash my jackfruit seed and I'm gonna add it to the pot. The jackfruit seed have two layers. They have the outer layer, shell, and they have an inside layer. Thing about the jackfruit seed is once you parch it or you toast it or whatever you want to call it, the outer layer, which is brown, get white, started getting whiter. So you'll know when actually it's time for it to peel or shell. So as soon as they're finished toast, I leave it there to cool for a couple of minutes. Now I'm going to remove the top layer. It's a little time consuming, but it will worth it, trust me. As soon as I finish shell, I'm going to wash them. I'm trying to remove some of the second layer, which is normally browner than the top layer. So I'm trying to remove as much as I can from it. You're not going to get rid of all of it, but that's fine. I'm going to add about half teaspoon of salt to a pot of boiling water. Then I'm going to add the jackfruit seed to the boiling water. Then I'm going to leave it until it cooks. Doesn't take long to cook, so right now I'm trying to make sure that it's properly cooked. No, it's not, so I'm going to give it some more time to make sure that it's soft. I want to know whenever I blend it, blend smooth, that we don't have any little tough jackfruit seed in it. So I'm going to make sure that it's soft before I blend it. Now I'm checking it again and it's well cooked, soft, break apart easily. Now I pour off the water and I leave it to cool for a while and then add it to the blender. Now I want to add 5 cups of water. I forgot to mention the amount of jackfruit seed. It's 2.5 cups of jackfruit seed. So I'm going to blend until it's smooth. As soon as it's blend and smooth, I'm going to add my ingredients. So now I'm going to add 2 cups of condensed milk, a teaspoon of cinnamon or cinnamon powder, teaspoon of nutmeg, 2 teaspoons vanilla, and 1 teaspoon almond flavor. I'm going to combine everything together. Just going to give it a little taste to see if everything is fine, if it's sweet enough. I think I need to add some more milk because it's not sweet enough. So I add about half more cups of milk. And I pour it out in a container, another container, because that one was a little too small. So now I'm going to add the sobergen. It's about an 8 ounce tin of Supergen. Then I had half bottle of the Dragon Stout, and then mix it all together. Now there you have it, a Jackfruit Seed Punch. Please remember to like, share and subscribe, and remember to touch the notification button so you know whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.